Are you currently facing an error on your Facebook that you're not able to create a new account? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you how I myself was able to fix it. So the first step is going to be for you to actually just exit your Facebook app completely, and instead you're going to go into your settings app. So open up your settings app, and now you should be taken to this page right here. So now scroll down in here a little bit and then click on general. So click on general, and then you should be taken to this page. Now scroll down a little bit in here and click on storage. And it's going to take a couple of seconds for this right here to load, just so you know, depending on how much memory that you use on your phone basically. And as you can see, it's still loading for me, but I think it's going to be finished in about 10 seconds or so. This first two right here is finished, so we're going to wait for Facebook and other apps to also finish right here. Now we're just going to scroll down and select Facebook in here. So click on Facebook, and in here you're going to click on upload app, and then once again click on upload app in here. And just wait a couple of seconds and click on the blue button here once again. So I did this myself, and I waited for it to finish loading right here, and then I went back into my Facebook app and tried again, and now it worked. I think it has something to do with that if you're using the last version of Facebook and you're trying to create an account, there's a bug in that version basically. So this right here, this method will auto update your Facebook app to the latest version, and when you go back into your Facebook app, well, now you should be able to have the latest version, and then you can now start creating a new account. And that is basically exactly how to fix this issue.